How to pay Amex credit card bill on the American Express app. So here on the homepage of the Amex app, what you want to do is click Make Payment in the middle left-hand side of the screen. There are a few different options, but you're going to want to pay the statement balance. That means the balance that you have for that month period. That's the one you're going to want to click. You can pay more or less, but for most of you want to do that. Then you want to click on the app which you will have on your phone that has the money that you'll be able to pay the debt off from. So for me, it's I got my banking app opened it up. There it will kind of take you through to a link on the bank app that you've opened up, and it will transfer you there. It will show you the payment setup. Should be automatically. You'll be able to click on your account that you're going to pay the bill with, then click on continue. There'll be various different screens you'll see depending on the bank app you use. For me, all I had to do is go through it, and it was as simple as that. You'll see the payment bill there, and that's when you know it's done. So leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.